Now, oil prices rose on Monday in response to planned production cuts by exporter club OPEC. Brent crude headed north to $50.59 a barrel in intraday trade, while U.S. crude futures rose to $48.66 a barrel. OPEC said last week it would cut output to around 33 million barrels per day from 33.5 million. And analysts say there was a downside risk to oil prices if the planned cut was not deep enough to bring production back in line with consumption. Well, let's get an update on Africa's top oil producer, Nigeria. Sophia Dengo now joins us in Abuja. Sophia, as always, welcome to the show. Now, it seems like the oil sector is slowly getting back on track. We hear that Forcados, one of the country's largest terminals, is producing again after a militant attack in February. Now, how is this news impacting production and, of course, the outlook for the sector?
Well, after months of sharp declines, Uche, crude oil futures are really turning around, recovering because of numerous positive factors. And of course, one being the repair and getting back on track of this oil pipeline that was really primarily a major part of crude export here in Nigeria. Now, back in February, when the leakage was noticed, and obviously as a result of militancy, the Nigerian government opted to completely stop production as this subsidiary of Shell could no longer supply with this massive leak. And so this is one of the many positive outcomes that is really a part of restoring Nigeria's position in Africa as a leading oil producer, but much more than that, really recovering the economy that has seen extreme lowered prices of their crude on the markets that has completely shaken their economy in many respects. Uche.
Well, many thanks, Sophia, for those insights. Of course, we'll continue to follow oil prices today.